Yes, it's still summer here, but I am freezing and it's raining out. So.
Super cute sweatshirt.
So I was trying to stay strong and not order off TikTok shop. And I did good. It was, see, I've had TikTok for 3 or 4 months now. Gone a little crazy. With my weight loss journey, I struggle with protein, like most people do. So I was so excited when I saw these protein brownies, not bites, Prime Bites. They have collagen, delicious snack, handcrafted, guilt-free, oven-baked, gourmet taste. Well, hello, welcome to my house. Would you like a protein brownie? The dogs think I'm gonna give them something. I'm not. No, go away, dogs. Go, go. It was a peanut butter. This is Reese's Pieces in it. Today I wanna try like a traditional brownie. So like chocolate glazed donut, chocolate cookie monster. And they are substantial. So one protein brownie has 19 grams of protein and 5 grams of collagen. Calories 220 for one. 19 carbs. I'm stalling. Looks like a brownie. Smells good. Smells like a brownie. Smells like like a ding dong, ho ho. Okay, gooey, good. As anything with protein, it doesn't just melt in your mouth, it's substantial. Oh, chew it. Okay, this isn't bad, but the one last night, oh, that's not in my teeth. Hello. Did I get it? Did I get it out? Okay, this isn't bad. The one I had last night, I split it in half with my son. I could not finish my half. It's that, oh, artificial protein. I mean, it's not artificial protein. I mean, technically, I guess it is. It's probably some kind of powder. It's not like they're adding chicken or hamburger to this. That'd be really gross. I will say I am super picky. People seem to be loving them. So it probably is just me. This one is better than the peanut butter Reese's Pieces last night, which did not taste like peanut butter nor Reese's Pieces. Will I buy them again? No. Oh, that's a no-go for me. And another thing I got, which I opened already, a sleep bonnet with these ties. So the bonnet I wear now at night just has this tie in the back, has this band where it'll keep all these hairs and more. So, you know, like this. Us curly hair girls need to wrap their hair at night, or else we wake up and it looks crazy. This was all one order, yes. I talk like you guys can answer me. Or you're in my studio audience. That was rude. This is not from TikTok. Talk Shop. I didn't know what it was before I opened it. But I was gonna tell you guys about these things anyway. It's from Focal. F is in Frank. O-C-L. Focal. These are deep sleep gummies. CBD and THC in them. The THC is minimal, 2.5 grams, tiny. And they're deep sleep. Remember? 2.5 in. Yeah, so these sleep gummies, it's very light. Like, they're not sedating. Just because how you metabolize gummies, you know, you need to take them probably an hour ahead. I do think the drops work quicker. So I'd say within like 10-15 minutes, one full dropper. So it has CBD and THC, Delta 9. So anyway, if you need something for sleep that is natural, and this is all natural, these are great. I will give you my affiliate link and you can try them out, and they're super fast with shipping. Let's see what's in this box. Okay, this huge box for this tiny thing. Until Dawn mattifying waterproof setting spray. One size. I've never used an aerosol setting spray. Let's see. Shake well. Keep eyes closed. Hold 10 to 12 inches from face. Spray in a circular motion for even distribution. I like to read the directions after I use it. 10 to 12. Okay. We shall see. I hope it doesn't make your face sticky, because I will not like that. Gen X, raised on hose water and neglect. Pink, I love it. See? This is from Jason. Whoever Jason is. Oh yeah. Shit's starting to get real around here. Magnetic neck phone mount. I'm so excited. So you wear it, hold your phone like this, and so if I'm cooking or doing my nails or something, yeah, look at this. I mean, you look like a huge dork, but I always do anyway. Goes on somehow like yay, and then put my phone there. All right, this will be my next video. I love it. And this is nice and sturdy and bendable, kind of like Gumby. This is what got me. This is the first thing that I saw an advertisement for and decided that I had to have it. Okay, this is the Go Pure, which you're seeing all over TikTok right now. But this is the eye cream. I have not seen anybody do an eye cream video. Everybody's doing the neck, which I already got my neck recovered from weight loss. I use something else. So this is their eye cream. So I'm super excited about this. I have these tear troughs, and this one kind of gets puffy a lot. So of course right now they don't look bad. Maybe they do. I can't really see. So I'm so excited to try this. Advanced Repair Eye Cream, 6% peptide blend, caffeine, and Atlantic seaweed. All right. Go Pure. See the beauty in yourself. La 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 la. This is all stuff I bought myself. I am not a TikTok shop affiliate. I don't have any plans to be. If you're doing it, good for you. It seems like a ton of work, and people seem to get in trouble all the time, so. This is a cool little box. I just opened it and then I don't think it was showing on camera. It just completely opens like this and has the instructions. I love this because then you can recycle it and it's not a box. It's the little things, I'm telling you. It's the little things that make consumers buy from you again. It's true. Hopefully no smell. Yeah, no smell. Thank goodness. It feels nice. I don't like smells. Well, bad smells. Okay, apply to your 11s, okay? Apply to your 11s between the eyebrows and upper lip lines as well. Apply before retinol if your eye area is sensitive to that ingredient. Avoid tugging and pulling on the skin around the eye area, which is what I say in my videos. I see these young people pull down. I'm not even gonna do it because I can't do it. I'll do it like this as an example. They like pull down their eye to do something or put their contact in or to put eyeliner on. They're like, I'm like, oh, that skin is so thin. And if you pull on it and pull on it and pull on it, only bad things are gonna happen. Not immediately, but in time. Okay. Go Pure, go Pure, go Pure, go Pure, go Pure, go Pure. What was from Jason? Oh, the phone mount was from Jason. Okay, keep all that. Oh, and then you have a little Go Pure Glow Guide. I like it. They have tinted moisturizer. They have serums. Yeah, I guess it's like a real skincare line. Who knew? We know what that is. Everybody has been saying get that trio. It's such a great deal. So I just do eeny, meeny, miny, mo on y'all's links. So when I go to order something, I look for it in one of your stores and then order it off your showcase. So I try to share the love. Okay. Of course, Tarte has amazing packaging. Beautiful, beautiful. So I've already tried, got too many boxes. I've already tried the Marajuka lip oil, and which I love. I love it. I have the mixed berries. Oh, I do have something else coming. I have another cute shirt I ordered. Maracuja Juicy Plumping Lip Oil in mixed berries. So I already had this. I like it a lot. It smells amazing. Just like raspberry lip balm or something. So I already have this. So I know I'll love it. One of my friends on here, Casey, shout out, she told Sarah is the way to go. I'd never tried it, so I'm excited about that. This Fake Awake white line, let's try some of that. And then this Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump is Primrose. And this is a little different style than what I have. Lip Plump. This is the Plumping Lip Oil, so different. So this is more like lipstick, which is fine. Great. Ah, yeah. It's pretty. Let's see if I get any plumping action from it. I don't get any plumping action from this, but the oil is such a good moisturizer. Oh, look here. This Fake Awake. Let's see if I can actually do it. Okay, so the Fake Awake. Oh, look, and it has a little smudger at the end. So the Fake Awake is supposed to go on your waterline. So I'm gonna put it on my waterline there. Gently, gently pull the eye down. Man, I remember putting liquid eyeliner on this waterline when I was a teenager. That stuff would get in your eye, burn. It's different. You can definitely tell. I love that it's twist, so I don't have to sharpen it. And then you're supposed to take the smudger and just kind of smudge it. Do I look more awake on my right side than my left? I mean, I don't hate it. I'm just not sure if it's worth the extra effort. Okay, let's see. Let's do the other side. And let's smudge it. Okay, we'll see. I don't hate it.